It was quite a cold Saturday. It had been raining most of the morning, and Sloaney and I decided to go out for an afternoon walk around. Considering the rain had stopped, we figured, well, the deer will be up and walking around now. So we headed on out, walked down our usual track. We got to the first creek crossing, and we got honked by a deer. So hearing this hind honk us pretty much right at the start, we knew that it was a good time to be out because we knew that now the deer were definitely up moving around. We kept on going up our track, and then we eventually reached our point we wanted to break off the track. We broke off maybe about, I'm going to say about 100 metres, and then we split up. Sloaney decided to go a little bit more down to the left, and I'd pushed into this thick shit more to the right. And this is when everything got really, really interesting, and I'm really annoyed that at the time I didn't turn the camera on. So as I'm walking and pushing very slowly through this real thick bush, a deer in front of me, maybe about 15, 20 metres, stood up and bolted through the bush. Then I could hear some more like animals running through the bush further off to my left, which is towards where Sloaney was. There was a honk, so one honked Sloaney, and then I saw maybe the same one, but I think it was a different one because it was slightly came from a different area, but another one ran across this little gap in the trees. Got my rifle up, didn't take the shot because I wasn't confident enough that I was going to be able to make the kill, so I didn't shoot. And then I could still hear a lot of rustling around in between me and Sloaney. And then everything died down slightly, and then I hear two bangs. And then when he's taken that shot, he's realised that just down below him, even closer, was 3 other deer. So 2 more hinds stood up and started bolting down the hill, and a big, massive black stag has stood up and started bolting, and that's what he fired his second shot at. So I've made my way to him, met him at where this rocky outcrop was. He's pointed out where this deer is down and sort of explained to me what has happened. Fucking oath. Thick. Just down here, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it's just a fucking bedding area for sure. Well, it's fucking dead, so... Look at the colour of his ear, that's nice and white.
For sure. And the other one ran off down here, and I'm pretty sure I missed. Oh, wait.
So we could hear some rummaging around in this thick fern shit, and my thought at the time was maybe he did actually connect with that shot on the stag. So I decided to push in and see if I could find him. There's a bed right here. Wait. He's just in here. Now I could distinctly see something through, it was fucking thick in there, but I could just distinctly see a deer through there. It got up and it started running, but it had fucked off. There wasn't any blood trail that I could find. There wasn't any blood on the ferns or anything, so it was either that stag had been hit or it was another deer that was just bedded down in there. Considering when it ran away, it wasn't fucking humongous. From what I could see of it, I don't think it was the stag. I just think it was another deer. I reckon it's gone. Fuck, imagine if you got a fucking double.
Oh man, I was trying it just because I seen the fucking antlers and I was like, hello.
Fuck, I was so close. I saw you come close. You were about 10 metres from me at one point. I was like, I should go with Sloaney. And I'm like, no, if we spread out, we've got a better chance. Same shit.
Fucking hell.
And then we came back to the body to have a look at what had actually happened with this deer.
Yeah, well, I think it was just in front of this tree where it was like staring at me.
Now, as I said earlier, it was a pretty bloody good shot. He's drilled at double lung. It had gone, 5 metres, if that, and just dropped on the spot. So, bloody well done. That was his first Sambar deer. The fucking gander shot. The shot there.
Fairly far back, see, that's what I was saying.
But where's the other? Is that the entry or the exit? Which way was it facing?
Would have been the entry.
I think you've gone through.
Yeah, it was a semi-diagonal shot.
So yeah, we butchered the deer up, and then I actually put a trail camera onto the deer carcass just to see what would happen. I'll link that video in the description because that's pretty bloody interesting. And then yeah, we hauled the meat out, and that was that. It's always good to get out and hunting, and I don't even know what's better, me shooting a deer or watching a mate shoot a deer. It's either way, it's still bloody awesome. So once again, congrats to Sloaney, and hopefully I can film a few more hunts. A little bit better than this. This was sort of a spur of the moment thing, but hopefully I can actually film some of these hunts and let you come along for the journey. I'll see you next time. Hooroo.